Now I would like to introduce the person who is like a teacher. A teacher is like a parent's shadow. He is the backbone of our company. A small mistake or big one, he catch them and solve them quickly. Please give a big hand to Mr. Ummar, HR Department, Head of Accounting.
Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Already, madam and boss talked so many matters of this company. The journey of 12 years. My dear madam, boss, my colleagues, more than colleagues, we are friends and brothers. I am here in this company since 2017. Many new faces are come here. I saw more than 50 staff coming and going. Some staffs are still here. Even more than 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Mr. Ramesh is 12 years. And Mr. Abid, 10 years. I am the third staff here in this company, most senior. 2025, we recruited some staffs here as a new team. From distribution section also we improved and online sections also. My duty to be submit annual report. Most of the people are not very eager to see graphs, some Excel sheets, and some scenarios. I know this is a boring thing for many. But my duty, I have to report all the things in this today's annual meeting. Now I am starting to make my PPT. I wish you all healthy, wealthy, peaceful and prosperous, happy Chinese New Year. Many years I am just putting same topic, Tobys vision, just changing the year on it. Why I am putting the same topic every year? Without vision, we are nothing. The man who don't have eyes, he cannot see the world. The man who have eyes, he don't have that future, you don't have the knowledge of the future, you will not get better future. So every year I am putting the same topic. Maybe people are asking, Ummar is putting every year same topic, nothing is changed, just years change. So many things I have to discuss here, going my PPT again. As madam told last week, even 15 days earlier, she told me, we have to introduce ourselves so we get to know each other, what we were, is our present and future. I'm just going to explain my part. Actually, I took this word, one heart, one path for best future from Chinese team. This is I kept this word. I just copied there to here, just to remind all the people whoever gathered here today. You see, as you know, most of the people know, my name is Ummar Farooq. This is my 10th year in Tobys team, Tobys group. Since 2017, that means 2016, I was joined in one 5-star hotel, Crown Plaza. But unfortunately, because of the check bounce, our company is closed. That's why I'm just searching for the job. I got this opportunity in Tobys because of giving me the opportunity by boss and madam. I am very thankful to them. I completed my graduation from Indian University, Bachelor of Commerce in the year of 2001. Most of the people are not born that new people are not born that. After that, I born and brought up in a small village. When I completed my graduation, I just went to our capital city, completed my computer applications diploma. After that, I completed diploma in financial accounting. Financial accounting means it's Indian accounting as well as foreign accounting. Then 2002, first time I went to Saudi as a store assistant. That's my initial job. I have many dreams and even fear in my heart what to do. It's a foreign country. But as you know, as a man, we have to struggle so many things. I worked there for 4 years. Then I thought for my better future I have to come to UAE. I worked first time in Abu Dhabi, then Sharjah. 3 years in Abu Dhabi, then 1 year in Sharjah. Then I came to Darapar. 2016, I changed 4 companies. Actually, I never worked in any company more than 3 years. This is the first company I worked 10 years. Oman, I was working 4 years. Then UAE, this is my 12th year. Total 22 years experience in Middle East. National Youth Award 21. Actually, my interest is not accounting. When I was studying in graduation, I eager to go in journalism or history lecture. But unfortunately, I became an accountant. Now still continuing as accountant. Maybe people are thinking what to do. Now my age is actually 46, 47 is running. After that, what we do? We should have some future, right? Not just working and going and sleeping. We have a retired life. So retired life, I just plan to educate the mind. As Mr. Asmat told, I am like a teacher. Even a small mistake, I am not giving an excuse. I am just calling them and just make them rectify to not make the mistake again. As you know, even Asmat also explained about our company. Our company started in 2014. This is the 12th year, still continuing. We are all appreciate our madam and boss for this opportunity to work here in this great company. This is the main 6 pillars of our company. The first one is the product. Second one is our sales team. Third one is the support team and the warehouse team. Fourth one is media team. Mr. Asad and I think.